November 515 Tango Tango, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right. Pushback approved. November 515 Tango Tango. Pushback approved. Speedbird 1706 Heavy. London Heathrow Ground, Air Force One ready to taxi. Air Force One taxi to runway 27 right, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27 right, Air Force One. London Heathrow Ground Speedbird 1706 Heavy, ready to taxi to runway 27 left. London Heathrow Ground November 129 Yankee Lima, ready for pushback. November 129 Yankee Lima, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 left. Pushback approved. November 129 Yankee Lima. Speedbird 1706 Heavy taxi to runway 27 right, contact tower when ready. Taxiing to runway 27 right, Speedbird 1706 Heavy. Speedbird 1706 Heavy, turn right next taxiway. Right on the next taxiway, Speedbird 1706 Heavy. Stand by Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. London Heathrow Ground Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, ready for pushback. Cedar Jet 1999, you're on an active airport. Please contact London Heathrow Ground on 121.7. London Heathrow Ground November 515 Tango Tango, ready to taxi. November 515 Tango Tango taxi to runway 27 right, contact tower when ready. London Heathrow Ground Virgin 565, ready for Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right. London Heathrow Ground November.
On behalf of the captain and crew,
Hotel
welcome
Bravo
aboard this
Delta
flight.
Zulu Zulu
We hope
Heavy.
you enjoy flying with us. Before takeoff, we would like to encourage all passengers to watch our cabin crew display the safety features of the aircraft.
Welcome aboard, and thanks for flying with us. We're committed to making your flight safe and
November
comfortable.
129 Yankee
before we
Lima
depart, we'll
taxi
be
to
showing a
runway
brief safety
27 left,
presentation.
contact
This
tower
information can
when
help you
ready.
if there's an emergency.
London
So it's
Heathrow
important to
Ground
pay close
Delta
attention.
1 Super,
Even if you are
request taxi to the Terminal 2B.
All carry-on items should now be
Taxiing to
stored
runway
securely,
27 left.
either in an
November
overhead bin
129 Yankee
or under
Lima.
the seat in front of you. And all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas should be clear. Your mobile phones and other electronic devices should be turned
Delta 1
off.
Super taxi to
Once
parking at your
airborne,
discretion.
we'll let you know when you can use
London
approved
Heathrow
electronic
Ground Virgin
devices.
565,
But note that
ready
some
for
items,
pushback,
such as
requesting
phones,
runway
may not be used in
27
flight
left.
at any time.
Taxiing to
You'll find a
parking,
list of
Delta
approved
1
electronic
Super.
devices in the
Virgin
in-flight information
565
section of Sky
pushback
Magazine.
approved.
If you're
Expect
seated at
runway
an emergency
27
exit,
right.
please review the responsibilities for emergency exit seating on the back of the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
Are you okay sitting by the emergency exit?
If you're unable
Holding
or prefer
position
not to
Speedbird
perform this function,
1706 Heavy.
just let us know, and we'd be happy to find you another seat.
1706 Heavy. Contact London
As we leave the
Heathrow
gate,
Tower
make
on
sure your seatbelt is fastened.
118.5.
To fasten,
Pushback
insert the metal
approved.
tip into the
Virgin
buckle and adjust the
565.
strap so it's low and tight across your
Contacting
lap.
London Heathrow Tower.
To release
Hotel
the
Bravo
belt,
Delta
just
Zulu
lift the top
Zulu
of the
Heavy.
buckle or press the
Hotel
latch
Bravo
trigger.
Delta Zulu Zulu
Please
Heavy.
remain seated with your
Expect
seatbelt securely
progressive taxi
fastened anytime the
instructions.
seatbelt sign is on. And even if the
Roger,
sign is
Hotel
off,
Bravo
you should keep your
Delta
seatbelt
Zulu
fastened
Zulu
in
Heavy.
case we experience unexpected rough air. For everyone's safety, Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with the posted placards and lighted signs located throughout the cabin,
Delta 1
as well as any
Super,
crew
give way
member
to aircraft
instructions.
on your left.
I'm so sorry. Smoking is not allowed on any flight, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a restroom smoke detector. There are 6 exits on this plane.
Give way
4
to
doors,
aircraft
2 on each
Delta 1
side,
Super.
and 2 window exits over the wing.
London
Each
Heathrow
door has a
ground
detachable
Oscar
slide
Hotel
that can
Alpha
be used
Charlie
for
Romeo,
flotation.
ready for
Life
pushback.
rafts are located in ceiling compartments at the front and center of the plane. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there is a loss of power
November
and cabin
515
visibility is
Tango
reduced,
Tango
white
pole
emergency
position.
lights near the floor will lead you to red lights, which indicate an exit. Please take a moment to find the exits closest to you, and remember, they might be behind you. It's unlikely, but if cabin pressure
Holding
changes, the
position.
panels above your seat
November
will open,
515
revealing
Tango
oxygen mask.
Tango.
If this happens,
Oscar
reach
Hotel
up
Alpha
and pull a
Charlie
mask toward you
Romeo,
until the
pushback
tube is fully
approved.
extended.
Expect runway
Place the mask
27
over your
right.
nose and mouth. Twist the
November
elastic strap over your
515
head
Tango
and adjust the
Tango,
mask if
contact London
necessary.
Heathrow Tower.
Breathe normally
on
and note that oxygen
118.5.
is flowing, so don't worry if the bag
approved.
doesn't inflate.
Oscar Hotel
Be
Alpha
sure to
Charlie
adjust your
Romeo.
own mask before helping others.
Contacting London Heathrow Tower on
A water
118.5.
evacuation is also
November
unlikely,
515
but
Tango
just in
Tango.
case, life vests are located under your seat in the economy cabin. If you're seated in the first or business class cabin, the life vests are either between your seats, under your seat, or in a compartment under your armrest. To use, pull the tab to remove the vest from its container, and then open the pouch.
Hotel Bravo Delta
Flip the
Zulu
vest
Zulu
over
Heavy.
your head.
Continue
Fasten the
straight
2
ahead.
straps to the front of the vest, and then
Continuing
adjust the
ahead,
strap
Hotel
loosely
Bravo
around
Delta
your waist.
Zulu Zulu
If
Heavy.
your vest has only 1 strap, wrap it around your waist and attach it to the buckle in
London
front.
Heathrow ground
As you
Virgin
leave the plane,
565.
inflate the
Ready
vest
to
by
taxi
pulling
to
down on the
runway
red tab
27
at the
left.
bottom of the vest. Or manually inflate it by
Virgin
blowing into the tube
565
at
taxi to
shoulder
runway
level.
27
You can
right.
activate a
Contact
light by
tower when
pulling
ready.
down on the tab in front. If your vest doesn't have a
Hotel
tab,
Bravo
the light
Delta
will
Zulu
activate
Zulu
automatically
Heavy.
in the
Turn
water.
left next
If
taxiway.
necessary, we'll
Left
distribute
on the
infant
next
life vests or
taxiway.
other flotation
Hotel Bravo
devices for
Delta
children who
Zulu
weigh
Zulu
35
Heavy.
pounds or less. Also, most seat cushions can be used for flotation. Now, before we take off, be sure your seat is upright and locked, your tray table is put away, and all carry-on items are properly stowed. As we come to the cabin for our final safety check, please let us know if you have any questions. And finally, now would be a good time for everyone to review the safety information card, which is in your seat pocket.
Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Please check assigned runway. London Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. You're in an active airspace. Thank you. Good day. Taxiing to runway 27 right. Virgin 565. Oscar Hotel Alpha Charlie Romeo taxi to runway 27 right. Contact London Heathrow Ground Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Ready to taxi to runway 27 left. Taxiing to runway 27 right. Oscar Hotel Alpha Charlie Romeo. Virgin 565 continue taxi. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Etihad 81 Charlie. Contact Heathrow departure on 120.52. London Heathrow Tower Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Ready for departure at runway 27 left. Departing Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Line up and wait runway 2. Line up and wait runway 27 left. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff.
Egypt Air 994 number 1, runway 27 left, cleared to land. London Heathrow Tower Air Force 1 is 17 nautical miles to the west at 7,500 feet, inbound for landing. Number 1 cleared to land runway 27 left, Egypt Air 994. Turkish 727, number 2, runway 27 left, cleared to land. Number 2, cleared to land runway 27 left, Turkish 727. London Heathrow Tower United 692 is 13 nautical miles to the east at 7,800 feet, inbound for landing requesting runway 27 right. London Heathrow Tower November 515 Tango Tango, ready for departure at runway 27 right, departing straight out. November 515 Tango Tango wind 290 at 5, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, November 515 Tango Tango. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, wind 290 at 5, runway 27 left, cleared for takeoff. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. London Heathrow Tower Air Force One is 17 nautical miles to the west at 7,800 feet, inbound for landing requesting runway 27 left. Turkish 727, turn base. Thank you. Good day, Etihad 81 Charlie. Turning base, Turkish 727.
V1.
Speedbird 181 is on final runway 27 left, full stop. Speedbird 181 Roger. London Heathrow Tower Cedar Jet 1999. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, request frequency change. Stand by November 515 Tango Tango. London Heathrow Tower North Shuttle 747 is 15 nautical miles to the east at 4,300 feet, inbound for landing requesting runway 27 left. London Heathrow Tower Air Force One is 13 nautical miles to the west at 7,700 feet, inbound for landing. London Heathrow Tower, Moxie 250 ready for departure at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern. North Shuttle, Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, frequency change approved, good day. Thank you. Good day Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Virgin 565, wind 290 at 5, runway 27 right, cleared for immediate take. London Heathrow Tower Speedbird 1706 Heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 27 left. Thank you. Good day, Egypt 10994. London Heathrow Tower November 791 Juliet Sierra is 25 nautical miles to the east at 3,000 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 27 right. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, you're in an active airspace, please contact Heathrow Director on 120. November 791 Juliet Sierra is 3 nautical miles southeast of London City at 3,000. Heathrow Director Speedbird 181, with you at 3,000. Speedbird 1706 Heavy is 5 nautical miles southeast of Royal Air at 2,500 feet. Requesting ILS approach any runway at London Heathrow.
Ladies and gentlemen, the seatbelt sign has been switched off. However, for your safety we recommend you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened in case of any unexpected turbulence.
Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, you're in an active airspace. Please contact London Centre on 127.0. Victor Tango Yankee Bravo, Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, request frequency change. Climb and maintain flight level 340 Victor Tango Yankee Bravo Whiskey. London Centre Magic Sun 598, with you at 28,000. Tango Charlie, Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, stay on my frequency. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, maintain flight level 250. Maintain flight level 250 Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Tango Charlie Echo Foxtrot Echo, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow. Tango Charlie Echo Foxtrot Echo, turn right heading 080, climb and maintain 7,000. Sudan Air 218 is 6 nautical miles east of Royal Air at 5,700 feet, requesting visual approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow. Turn right heading 080, climb and maintain 7,000, Tango Charlie Echo Foxtrot Echo. Magic Sun 598, radar contact. November 129 Yankee Lima, proceed on course to Rotterdam. Sudan Air 218. Sudan Air 218, turn left. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy is 27 nautical miles southeast of Beccles at 24,900 feet, requesting radar vectors to Amsterdam Schiphol. Turn left heading 090, descend and maintain 4,000. Roger, Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Eastern 7 Heavy, thank you, good day. Eastern 7 Heavy, contact Nuki Radio on 122.8. Contacting Nuki Radio on 122.8, Eastern 7 Heavy. Jersey
Ladies and
318,
gentlemen, the
you're in
captain
an
has
active
turned on the
airspace.
fasten seatbelt
Please
sign.
contact London Centre
For
on
your safety, please return to your
127.0.
seats and fasten your seatbelts.
Oscar Hotel Alpha Charlie Romeo, you're in an active airspace. Please contact London Centre on 127.0. Sudan Air 218, descend and maintain 2,500, maintain 2,500 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS runway 27 left approach. Sudan Air 218, please expedite altitude change. Oscar Hotel Alpha Charlie Romeo, say intentions. Victor Hotel Charlie Bravo Juliet, Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy is 34 nautical miles southeast of Beccles at 23,400 feet. Requesting flight following to Amsterdam Schiphol. Speedbird 613, say intentions. Speedbird 613 is 5 nautical miles east of White Waltham at 4,800 feet, requesting flight following to Jersey. Sudan Air 218, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Victor Hotel Charlie Bravo Juliet Heavy is 3 nautical miles northeast of Fireoaks at 8,800 feet. Requesting GPS approach runway 17 left at Istanbul International. Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 118. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, request frequency change. Climb and maintain flight level 210, Oscar Hotel Alpha Charlie Romeo. Speedbird 613, climb and maintain flight level 220. Proceed on course, Speedbird 613. Climb and maintain flight level 220, Speedbird 613. Virgin 565, request frequency change. Virgin 565, frequency change approved, good day. November 515 Tango Tango, you're in an active airspace. Please contact London Centre on 12. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, request frequency change. Magic Sun 598, frequency change approved, good day. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, contact Amsterdam Schiphol traffic on 122.8. Frequency change approved, thank you. Good day Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Victor Hotel Air Force One, you're in an active airspace. Please contact London Centre on 1. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy is 29 nautical miles northwest of Langevold at 11,500 feet, requesting radar vectors to Amsterdam Schiphol. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, speed at your discretion. Roger, Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Anchorage Center Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, with you at 11,000. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, expect vectors for runway 36 right at Amsterdam Schiphol. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, radar contact, say approach request. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, contact London Center on 127.0. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, you're in an active airspace, please contact Anchorage Center on 127.0. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, radar contact, say approach request. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy is 25 nautical miles northwest of Langevold at 10,400 feet, requesting GPS approach runway 6 at Amsterdam Schiphol. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 36 center at Amsterdam Schiphol. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, continue as filed. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, maintain slowest practical speed. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, cleared ILS runway 36 center approach. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, report airport in sight. Wilco Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, contact London Center on 127.0.
Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, you're in an active airspace, please contact Amsterdam Schiphol Tower on 119.22.
Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, continue as filed. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, make a right 360. Making a right 360 Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, expect vectors for runway 36 center at Amsterdam Schiphol. Roger Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, expect vectors for runway 9 at Amsterdam Schiphol. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, continue as filed, expect the GPS approach runway 6 at Amsterdam Schiphol. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, maintain 170 knots until 5-mile final. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, expect vectors for the visual approach runway 4 at Amsterdam Schiphol. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, expect vectors for runway 9 at Amsterdam Schiphol. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, say intentions. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, expect vectors for the ILS approach runway 6 at Amsterdam Schiphol. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, speed at your discretion. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, cleared ILS runway 6 approach. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, maintain 170 knots until 5-mile final. Maintain 170 knots until 5-mile final, Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, expect vectors for the visual approach runway 36 right at Amsterdam Schiphol. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy is 11 nautical miles northwest of Langevoort at 7,000 feet, requesting GPS approach runway 6 at Amsterdam Schiphol. Amsterdam Schiphol traffic. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy is inbound, request traffic advisories. Amsterdam Schiphol traffic. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy is on final, runway 6. Anchorage Center Victor Tango Yankee Bravo Whiskey, with you at 30. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy is 6 nautical miles southwest of Langevoort at 4,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 6 at Amsterdam Schiphol. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, continuous filed, expect the visual approach runway 36 right at Amsterdam Schiphol. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, maintain 170 knots until 5 mile final. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, maintain 180 knots until 6 mile final. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy, contact Amsterdam Schiphol traffic on 122.8. Roger, Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy. Amsterdam Schiphol traffic is using runway 6, left traffic.
Flight attendants, please prepare for landing.
Amsterdam Schiphol traffic. Hotel Bravo Delta Zulu Zulu Heavy is 11 nautical miles to the southwest at 2,900 feet. Inbound for landing, will make straight in for runway 6.
Sink rate. Pull up.
400. 300. 200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
For your safety, please remain seated with your seat seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving the aircraft, please ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you.